Hello class. In this week of lessons, we're going to use a few scripts to make your game more interesting. And in this video, I'm going to give you an overlook of the script we're going to use and a few things we need to be aware of. So let's see. So first, we're going to use the active and deactive trigger script. So you'll be able to enter a trigger to trigger things to appear or to disable. Okay, or teleporting, which will allow your character to move from a spot to another spot. Okay, for example, if you have two different game levels, one is on the ground and another one is in the sky, for example, the heaven or something, you can let your character teleport to the sky or somewhere, use this script. And bouncing object, you can use this script to let your object to move up and down or side to side. If you have those floating island, you may use this script for that. Okay, so you will be able to download the script from the link I posted on Blackboard, so you can use them directly for your film, for your game actually. So here's a few things you need to be aware of. First, create a script folder. You can just go to under the assets folder and create folder here. But a lot of time, I just prefer to go to the Unity project folder. For example, this folder, which is the sample project folder I created for you guys. So you can go to the assets, under assets, you can just right click a new folder and manually create the folder and rename it by script. Okay, and to load this script, and you can just copy the script you download and paste them to here. And then you should be able to find them in Unity. If you haven't copy the script into the project folder here in Unity, you will not be able to load the script. Okay, so that's important. First, you need to copy the script into your Unity project folder. Okay, and once you've done that, see here, you should be able to find it here. Or if, let's say, if I select first person controller, and let's say if I want to create a new game object and I want to load the script, here you can just search, for example, active trigger, and your script will loaded here. If you haven't imported script, it will not show up here. Okay, so that's how to get a script imported here. And another thing is, I know some of you are good on scripting or want to experiment with the different functions in the script. If you do want to change the script, there's a few things you need to be aware of. First is, for example, if I take active trigger, for example, if you want to edit the script, you can use Dreamweaver. If you have the this program, Dreamweaver is a Adobe program, or this program is free, Visual Studio. Okay, so for a gamer, the gaming artist, we always use this program, Visual Studio. Okay, and when you open this script, okay, if you by any chance if you change the name convention of the script here, if you change the name here, you need to make sure they're public class here. This part, the name should be exactly the same as your script name you saved. If you have caps lock here, you need to have caps lock here. So basically this refers to the name of the file. You need to make sure they are exactly the same. Otherwise, Unity will pump up errors and you will not be able to find the script. Okay? Yeah, so that's pretty much of it. So just to make sure the name convention is the same. You can import your script here and move on to the videos.